Welcome back to Craft Wilder DIY. Today we're taking on one of the most exciting DIY builds out there, transforming a standard van into a fully equipped camper completely from scratch. If you've ever imagined life on the road with your home right behind you, this is a build you do not want to miss. We start by gutting the van, entirely seats, trim, flooring. Everything comes out. The goal here is simple. Strip it down to bare metal. Once everything's cleared, the real preparation work begins. Every metal surface gets thoroughly cleaned, any rust is sanded off, and weak areas are reinforced to make sure the structure is strong and long-lasting. Then comes protection. A layer of rust-resistant paint is applied to seal the interior and keep it protected for the long run. Yeah, once that's dry, key components like the driver's seat are temporarily reinstalled, and it's time to cut out openings for the windows and skylight. This step requires precision. Measurements are carefully taken, templates are used to map everything out, and a jig-zag boulue makes the cuts. The exposed metal edges are smoothed and treated to prevent rust from coming back. The windows are fitted with rubber seals and bonded in place using urethane adhesive to ensure a watertight seal. They're also secured with brackets or clamps for extra stability. These top-hinged windows open outward with gas struts, allowing airflow while keeping rain out. Locking latches keep everything tightly sealed when closed. Now let's get into power. Solar panels are mounted on the roof using brackets and adhesive. The wiring runs through waterproof glands into the van, where it will later connect to a battery system and charge controller. It's a clean and efficient off-grid setup. Inside, framing begins. Wooden battens are installed to create a custom structure that follows the van's shape, walls, ceiling, and floor included. This structure serves as the base for insulation and furniture, while also concealing wiring, plumbing, and ventilation. It also improves moisture control and helps maintain temperature efficiency. Next comes closed cell spray foam insulation. It expands into every gap, sealing the space while maintaining temperature and reducing road noise. It also acts as a vapor barrier, helping keep moisture out and comfort in. For the flooring, rigid XPS foam boards are installed between wooden supports. A solid plywood subfloor is added on top, followed by durable, easy-to-clean laminate flooring. The result is a clean, comfortable surface built for life on the road. Once the floor is complete, attention shifts to the steps. The same flooring material is used to keep the design consistent and seamless to finish everything properly. A flexible polyurethane or MS polymer sealant is applied to all joints and corners, especially where the steps meet the floor. This sealant prevents moisture, absorbs vibration, and seals off any small gaps. It's even color matched to blend in perfectly with the floor. The end result is a smooth, refined finish that not only looks great but also reduces noise and vibration while driving. The layered construction underneath helps keep the interior warmer, quieter, and more solid overall. Next, the transformation really starts to take shape, turning the empty shell into a livable space. Interior cladding is installed using tongue and groove wooden panels. They're lightweight, durable, and instantly add warmth and character. These panels also conceal insulation, wiring, and other components, combining function with aesthetics. Each panel is cut to size and secured to the frame using both nails and adhesive. These panels also conceal insulation, wiring, and other components, combining function with aesthetics. Each panel is cut to size and secured to the frame using both nails and adhesive. The cladding continues across the van doors, eliminating cold spots and unfinished edges. Even the window frames are custom built and fitted for a clean, professional appearance. Once installed, all surfaces are sanded smooth and joints are sealed with flexible caulking for a polished look. Next up, transforming the inside from a metal cargo box into a cozy little home. That process begins again with interior cladding, tongue and groove wooden panels installed across the walls and ceiling, adding both strength and style. After installation, surfaces are sanded and sealed for a clean finish. To protect the wood, a two-part parquet varnish is applied in multiple layers. This enhances appearance while adding resistance to water, UV exposure, and wear, essential for a mobile living space exposed to changing weather conditions. With the main surfaces complete, insulation is added to the rear and side doors using rigid foam panels. These are sealed in place and covered with matching wooden panels to maintain a consistent interior look while improving heat retention. Building your own camper van goes far beyond saving money. It's a lifestyle upgrade. You get full control over the design, complete customization, and the ability to build exactly what suits your needs. Whether it's for full-time living or weekend trips, DIY allows you to move at your own pace and expand your setup over time. Plus, doing the work yourself significantly reduces overall costs. One major advantage is budget flexibility. Without labor costs, you can invest in better materials or add features you might otherwise skip. It also opens the door to reusing materials and making more sustainable choices. This is where things get really exciting. Building the furniture that transforms the space into a home. The bed frame is designed with wooden slats and hinges, allowing it to double as storage. It's not just cost effective, it's efficient and practical. But let's be honest, this isn't just about saving money. It's a full learning experience. You'll develop skills ranging from woodworking to electrical systems. It can feel overwhelming at first, steep learning curve, but that's part of the process. You come out of it far more capable. Of course, there are challenges. Proper planning is essential. Layout, insulation, ventilation, and weight distribution all need careful consideration, along with compliance with safety codes and regulations. Gas and electrical systems must be installed safely, and seat restraints must meet required standards. And unlike buying something pre-built, there's no support line. You are responsible for everything. Still, the reward is worth it. A self-built van reflects your effort, creativity, and personal vision. It's completely unique. The designer behind this build, Murat, is widely recognized for his work on his channel. He shares each step with clarity and craftsmanship that's genuinely inspiring. Overhead cabinets are installed next, making use of vertical space for storage. Built from lightweight materials and securely mounted, they add both function and efficiency. Then come the essential elements: benches, drawers, hidden storage, everything needed to make van life practical. Murat also builds a dedicated space for the fridge, ensuring proper ventilation and secure mounting. Yeah. The kitchen area features lower cabinets and a wooden countertop that supports a dual burner stove and a stainless steel sink. Beneath the van, fresh water and gray water tanks are installed and connected, flexible food-grade tubing and a compact pressure pump handle water distribution efficiently. Everything integrates seamlessly, fold-out tables, comfortable seating, and a dining area that adapts for eating, working, or relaxing. The result is a compact, functional space designed for both everyday living and travel. Murat Tuncer's build proves that with patience, planning, and creativity, turning a van into a home is absolutely possible. Be sure to check out more of his work on his channel. Make sure to head over and subscribe to Murat Tuncer's YouTube channel to see more of his incredible transformations. You won't regret it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up and join the Craft Wilder DIY family by subscribing. We have many more epic builds coming your way. Stay wild, keep your tools sharp, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.